Hi guys, I'm Krina, and we all know the wedding season is right around the corner, and getting perfectly glowing skin is on all of our bucket lists. So today I have 3 amazing face masks that you can DIY right from the comforts of your home using the ingredients that you'll find right in your kitchen. And also stay tuned till the end of the video where I give you 5 tips which will help you get glowing skin right from within just by changing your daily habits. So first up is a lemon honey face mask, in which you will need 1 tablespoon of honey. And now take half a lemon and squeeze it into the container. Now mix the 2 ingredients properly and then apply it to your face. Apply this mask on your skin and make sure to do a patch test before you go all out, because lemon is pretty citrusy and it can sting your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. And you'll be all set with perfectly glowing skin right from the comforts of your home. So next up is this tomato sugar exfoliator, for which all you need is tomatoes and sugar. All you need to do is take a slice of tomato and pour some sugar on top of it. Rub it on your skin, leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Last but not the least, we had to include a turmeric face mask. Turmeric has great antioxidant properties which are great for glowing skin. The next ingredient, which is super beneficial for glowing skin, has to be yogurt because it's extremely moisturizing. You will need 1 tablespoon of honey. And now take half a lemon and squeeze it into the container. So let's mix these ingredients together and make the face mask. Make sure the mask is not too runny and it's a very good consistency. Apply this mask on your face and leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes before you rinse it off with cold water. Additionally, to get glowing skin right from within, here are 5 tips that you need to follow. Number 1. Have at least 6 to 8 glasses of water on a daily basis. Drinking more water is extremely beneficial because it helps your body flush out the toxins really quickly. Number 2, practice breathing exercises because it's the best way to circulate your blood flow throughout your body. Number 3, exfoliate once a week and never forget to moisturize. Number 4, make sure to have a healthy diet and incorporate as many fruits and nuts as you can on a day-to-day basis. Number 5, sweat it out. Haven't you ever noticed a pink flush on your face every time you work out? Sweating increases the blood flow and gives you a perfect glow. In order to sweat it out, you can follow the Hauterfly fitness series for the best workout tutorials for all your problem areas. I hope this video helps you get perfectly glowing skin for all the weddings that you'll be attending in the coming months. Until next time, bye!